students, girls and boys, please never feel shy in the school. Even if you do not know anything, never feel shy in the school. Always be expressive, even if it is wrong. Even if you are telling something out of the context, something out of this world, never feel shy, because God has given us voice to speak out. You may not be right in the first place, but you will be definitely right subsequently. So always express yourself and always express very clearly what you want to say. Very clearly you want to say whatever you want to say it with full clarity. Speak slow, but speak clearly. If you have any doubt, never hesitate to ask to your teachers. Whatever comes to your mind, please ask. Even if students may laugh, don't bother. Don't bother about that, because it is your right to ask questions in the class and to get clarified about it and to know about things. So never hesitate to ask anything. And whatever happens in the school with you, anything good or anything not so good, always tell it to your parents, always tell it to your teachers, always tell it to your principal. If something good or something bad happens, never hide it within yourself, because if you hide it, then you will always have some emotional problem inside you, which may create a bigger problem in future. So always speak out, always tell your parents what you have done today in your school, and always attend your school. Never remain absent on some pretext of illness, on some pretext of something. Always try to attend the school in time. Be attentive in the school. Listen to what others are saying. Try to analyze things and try to focus. Whatever is taught in the school, try to focus. Try to learn what they are telling. If you do not understand anything, still there is no problem. You have always time to learn. You have always time to ask your parents, to your good friends in the class, to your seniors. So this must be the habit with you all. And be honest with yourself. Be always honest. Be always honest. Never try to make up things. Never try to cover up things. If you do not know, admit it. If you know, admit it. So be honest in your activities and always be sincere, and never waste your time in mobile phones, please. If you have time, spend your time in outdoor games, play games, spend time in talking to your friends, spend time in moving outside under the sun, because that will be helpful for your health, for your physique, for your healthy being. And another thing is very important. Whenever there is exam, don't try to read hours together, because brain has some capacity. So after certain time, brain becomes fatigued. And if you read after that also, you are just looking at the letters of the book, but nothing is entering your brain. So always give adequate rest to your brain. Go early to bed. Always go early to bed, and take dinner as early as possible in the evening itself. I always request people to take the dinner around 7 or before 7. Don't take dinner late in the night. So take dinner early in the evening, take adequate rest, and always wake up early in the morning. Pray to God that today is a new day and today I will spend my day in a very meaningful way and in a very productive way. So this is also very important as long as you are a student, because student life is very short. Hardly you get time for relaxation, because nowadays this ICSE course which this school follows is a vast course. Because ICSE course is a very vast course, you hardly get much time to relax. So whenever you are getting time, take rest, give rest to your mind, always feel fresh before reading, take adequate amount of fluid, take adequate amount of water in the day, always take 3 liters or more than that of water in the day, always drink plenty of water, less of solid food, and take food little amount more times than heavy amount once or twice a day. That will help your digestion easy. If you take small amounts more times, it will help your digestion, and the bowel movement will also be nice. And if some people are, for the teachers I want to say that if you find some pupils or the children, they are sitting in the classroom dull, they are not attentive to what is being taught in the class, so let their eyes get examined. We have school programs for refractive errors of eyes. So many times we find that a small child has some refractive problem, has some eyesight problem. So that's why he is not understanding what is going on in the class. So he is not able to express it, so he is remaining dull. So it is the duty of the class teacher, it is the duty of the principal to see that all students remain attentive to what they are teaching. If a person is not attentive, then there is some problem with him or her. Either he has some eyes problem, or he has something hidden inside him which he cannot express, or out of shyness he cannot express. So that thing has to come out of him. So that is the duty of our teachers. And in life, many laurels you will get, many things you will get, but always be thankful to your teachers who have made it possible for you. Always be thankful, always be humble, always be humble. Never show arrogance with money, never show arrogance with power, because those are all temporary things. Today you have those things, tomorrow it will all vanish, and you may become a pauper also. So always be thankful to God that what you have achieved, what you have got, it is all the blessings from above. So be thankful, be humble, always thank a person who has helped you in life. Never forget to thank a person who has helped you in life, because that is very important life teaching. And always maintain a high moral in life. Never indulge in bad habits. Never indulge in bad habits. Bad habits may give you temporary pleasure, may give you temporary stimulus, but it will destroy your life completely when you turn into adulthood. So it is my sincere request to parents that whenever their children are doing something wrong, always expose it. Always expose it. You may expose it before everybody or alone inside a room, but his mistakes must be exposed and rectified then and there. Otherwise, when things will go out of control, you cannot do anything, then the boy or the girl will go astray, and you will not have any more opportunity to rectify that problem. So this is my sincere request to parents to always guide their children in proper way, and I request the parents also to never quarrel or to never have any opinion difference in a loud voice in front of a child, because child mind is tender. If the child sees all these things, he or she may become mentally disturbed. So this will have a psychological impact on the learning process of the person. So I sincerely request the parents also to behave very properly in front of their children and never to indulge in any immoral things which the child may try to imbibe from the parents. I hope this is a very good function today, and all the parents are here, all the children are here, and I wish all a very bright future and smile in the face of the parents along come here to attend this function. And I hope they will all cooperate with the school authorities, with their guides, that the children must learn everything proper in life, and they must also learn spirituality, they must learn benevolity, they must be also benevolent, they must have some good Samaritan activities, and over and above all must be very honest in life. Thank you all.
Say.
Hello. Thank you, sir, for your inspiring message.
Hello.
Before I speak about the purpose for which I came to the dais once again, let me share with you two pieces of information to all of you, dear parents, and all the audience present here. Today's evening program is going live on YouTube channel named Binod KK, and also in Facebook, that is Denkanal News. So we will be sharing with you the link soon, and all those who are present and not present also will be able to view this online in the digital platform. Well, I would say it, we are unprivileged sometimes, and also for us unfortunate that our chief guest will be leaving the stage, also this program soon. Therefore, I am here to propose a formal vote of thanks to our very respected chief guest, Dr. Mohapatra. Dear sir, your inspiring message has shown us a guiding light that we will be able to follow in the future and make our life better, brighter, and good for our children, for the parents. For the time that you have given to us this evening, leaving out all your busy schedule, leaving out all your preoccupations and all other things, we are very indebted to you. And very especially for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest this evening, and also giving us your valuable suggestions, advice for our life, individual, personal life, as well as our family life, and also our academic life. Therefore, today, on behalf of the management, school committee, on behalf of the principal, teaching and non-teaching staff members, all our parents present here, all our dear little tiny toddlers, I extend a very, very hearty gratitude and thank you to you. Thank you so much, sir. I request all our guests kindly take the seats down the stage. I invite our anchors to carry forward the next program.
With this, we complete the first part of our today's program. We hand over the mics to Manish and Ananya for cultural events. Thank you all. खोल रहा हूँ सीधे बोल जोर से बोल अरे all of you once again get ready for a dazzling display as the students of class LKG to class 2 are going to take us on a beautiful journey across India with their theme dance Colors of India. Let's give them a thunderous clap. Sit back, relax and enjoy the colors and rhythms of our incredible India. Chal.
Now all this while, we were going very formally, so the audience was sitting so quietly. Now we are going to start the cultural program. So I request all the parents to cheer up. Welcome them with a huge hand of applause. I can't hear.
DJ Nick, and guess what it is?
¡El canal a usted! ¡El canal a usted! ¡Avanza la puta pata de
जाऊ त्यानं घरी मला जाऊ त्यानं घरी मला जाऊ त्यानं घरी मला जाऊ त्यानं घरी वाजले की बरं मला जाऊ त्यानं घरी
Wasn't that spectacular? That is a huge round of applause. Thank you very much. The stage is now set for the most colorful and exciting part by our LKG students with their rhymes.
DJ Burak Balkan.
टमाटर बड़े मजेदार, वाह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार। आहा टमाटर बड़े मजेदार, वाह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार। आहा टमाटर बड़े मजेदार, वाह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार। एक दिन इसको चूहे ने खाया, बिल्ली को भी मार भगाया। एक दिन इसको चूहे ने खाया, बिल्ली को भी मार भगाया। आहा टमाटर बड़े मजेदार, वाह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार। आहा टमाटर बड़े मजेदार, वाह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार। एक दिन इसको चींटी ने खाया, हाथी को भी मार भगाया। एक दिन इसको चींटी ने खाया, हाथी को भी मार भगाया। आहा टमाटर बड़े मजेदार, वाह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार। आहा टमाटर बड़े मजेदार, वाह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार। तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी, तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी। बस में चढ़ी सीट न मिली, सीट न मिली तो रोने लगी, सीट न मिली तो रोने लगी। ड्राइवर ने बोला आजा मेरे पास, ड्राइवर ने बोला आजा मेरे पास। तितली बोली हट बदमाश, तितली बोली हट बदमाश। हट बदमाश मेरा घर है पास, हट बदमाश मेरा घर है पास। तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी, तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी। ट्रेन में चढ़ी सीट न मिली, सीट न मिली तो रोने लगी, सीट न मिली तो रोने लगी। बंदर ने बोला आजा मेरे पास, बंदर ने बोला आजा मेरे पास। तितली बोली हट बदमाश, तितली बोली हट बदमाश। हट बदमाश मेरा घर है पास, हट बदमाश मेरा घर है पास। तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी, तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी। प्लेन में चढ़ी सीट न मिली, सीट न मिली तो रोने लगी, सीट न मिली तो रोने लगी। खरगोश ने बोला आजा मेरे पास, खरगोश ने बोला आजा मेरे पास। तितली बोली हट बदमाश, तितली बोली हट बदमाश। हट बदमाश मेरा घर है पास, हट बदमाश मेरा घर है पास।
signals on the bus go blink, blink, blink. All through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town. The motor on the bus goes vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, vroom, vroom. All through the town. The people on the bus go up and down. Up and down. Up and down. The people on the bus go up and down. All through the town. The babies on the bus go
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah.
The babies on the bus go
Wah, wah, wah.
all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus go shh, shh, all through the town.
The daddies on the bus go
I love you, I love you, I love you,
The daddies on the bus go
I love you, all through the town.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Hey kids, are you ready for the greatest adventure ever? Let's go explore together!
Dooby dooby dum dum, dooby dooby dum dum, through the jump and climb. Dooby dooby dum dum, dooby dooby dum dum, through the jungle green. Dooby dooby dum dum, best place I've seen.
Monkeys dancing all around. Dooby dooby dum dum, what a funny sound. Dooby dooby dum dum, stomp your feet. Dooby dooby dum dum, feel that beat. Dooby dooby dum dum, dance and spin around. Dooby dooby dum dum, make that sound.
Dooby dooby dum dum, sailing on the sea. Dooby dooby dum dum, just you and me. Dooby dooby dum dum, gold so bright. Dooby dooby dum dum, what a sight.
Whales are singing their big song. Dooby dooby dum, come sing along.
Everybody swim like a fish.
Now fly like a bird in the sky. Dooby dooby dum dum, 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 ship to outer space. Dooby dooby dum, what a race.
Dooby dooby dum dum, twinkling all around. Dooby dooby dum, floating off the ground.
Dooby dooby dum dum, we had such fun. Dooby dooby dum, we're done. Dooby dooby dum, you're brave and strong. Dooby dooby dum, sing this song. Adventure waits for me and you. Dooby dooby dum, dreams come true. Dooby dooby dum dum, dooby dooby dum. Dooby dooby dum dum, dooby dooby dum. Dooby dooby dum dum. Adventure's done. Ooh, but tomorrow we'll have more fun. chum chum. Kheliba asa chum chum chum. Kulu takulu chum chum chum. Kheliba asa chum chum chum. Kulu takulu chum chum chum. Kheliba asa chum chum chum. Kulu takulu chum chum chum. Kheliba asa chum chum chum. Kulu takulu chum chum chum. Kheliba asa chum chum chum. Kulu takulu chum chum chum. Kheliba asa chum chum chum. Kulu takulu chum chum chum. Kheliba asa chum chum chum. Kulu takulu chum chum chum.
Those who want to collect your own children can collect from the near the principal's entrance room.
Thank you all. It
Near,
was
near the
wonderful.
principal's and office. Principal's office, na?
What a fantastic plan of Iraq.
Parents, you can pick up your children from the entrance.
अरे भूल गए.
Near the principal's office. Parents, you can collect your children from near the principal's office.
Let's roll. Dancing like nobody's watching. Body and soul.
Our next program is done by the student of class 1 retro to metro.
Good evening everyone. Do you all want a ride from old golden songs to today's rocking beats? Well, my friends are here to take you on a ride. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to travel from retro to metro. So please clap or the dance might start without warning.
मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई
तो क्या आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो
Mixed by DJ Ajay. डिस्को में जाए, किसी होटल में खाए, हो किसी डिस्को में जाए, किसी होटल में खाए, ना हमें यहाँ कहीं घूम के आए हम। चलो इश्क लड़ाए, चलो इश्क लड़ाए, चलो इश्क लड़ाए सनम। हो चलो इश्क लड़ाए, चलो इश्क लड़ाए, चलो इश्क लड़ाए सनम।
नौजवानों बात मानो, कभी किसी से न प्यार करना।
हिम्मत से नाचो, थिरक थिरक यारो, धरती हिला दो, थिरक थिरक रे। माटी का बादल फूक फूक जाए, अंबर झुका दो, थिरक थिरक रे। लड़क भड़क बंदा हो, खलक तलक बंदा हो, फिकर फिकर जिंदा हो, बंदा हो जिंदा हो। तबड़ तोड़क बंदा हो, पलक तलक बंदा हो, तबड़ शिकर जिंदा हो, बंदा हो जिंदा हो। धड़पन रंगारे, धड़कन अंगारे, तन मन गंगारे, जिंदा बंदा हो। अरे तन मन गंगारे, जिंदा बंदा हो। झटपट झूमर घूमर चमन मारे, पैरों तले धुआं चले। अपना रुपया चलने दे, झटपट झूमर घूमर चमन मारे।
I can see some parents are full of energy. What about others? That's it, parents.
What a fantastic blend of eras. Thank you so much. Now hold your breath because the energy is about to shoot through the roof. Get ready for some sparkle and sizzle. Welcoming our nursery children with their pure Bollywood tadka. Good evening, everyone. This is so beautiful evening in Montfort School. My name is Dibya Nashria. I study in nursery A. My school name is Montfort School. Please watch a beautiful dance of my nursery friends. Wait and watch. मैंने पायल है चनकाई. स्कूल चले हम. Thank you.
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ. यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ. तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ. भीड़ में यूं न छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊँ माँ. भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तो, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ. क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा मेरी माँ.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने मन जम के हम स्कूल चले हम इसके दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं। कोई आगे चलता है, हम पीछे चलते हैं। दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है। इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है। रोके से न रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम। बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम। सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम रोके से न रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम। बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम। स्कूल चले हम
Oh wow, it was really a fantastic dance. Our stage is now transforming into a runway. The students of UKG will showcase the textile heritage of India in a fashion show featuring the cultural dresses of various states. Let's fall back to our seat and zoom to the world of fashion. Good evening, everyone. Now bring you something very colorful and very special. India is a land of many shades, different festivals and different dances. But all together they make our country incredible India. Our young children are ready to work on the stage in cultural facts and so. सारे जहां से अच्छा है हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बच्चे मिलकर रहे ये प्यारा देश हमारा. So get ready to enjoy a mini India right here.
ਜਾ ਕਰ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਓ ਹੋ ਹੋ
जामू डाली है रस जामू डाली मुरा की नूरू छी तोते कॉलर माली रस जामू डाली रे रस जामू डाली
तुम धड़ाक चिक तुम धड़कन बोले जब तू छत पे आए नैन लड़ा के तुझसे मन मंदिर में जिंगल बेल हो जाए तेरा हसीन चेहरा आहा मेरे लबों से निकला वहाँ ढूंढ गूगल पे जाके मिलेगा मजनू मेरे जैसा कहा पूरी पलटन के साथ लेके बारात बलमा ये तेरा नाचे जिंग 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 नाचे जिंग 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 जिंग
मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूंछों टोमा छम छमा पायल घुंगरू बजन ग्यार कुटमा लाल ग्यार कंगना तुम्हें चूड़ी छनहरा लाल ग्यार कंगना तुम्हें चूड़ी छनहरा चुनरी तेरी आए हाय चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा अरे चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल बर जानी उल्टी सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी थोड़ी हम में होशियारी है थोड़ी है नादानी थोड़ी हम में सच्चाई है थोड़ी बेईमानी आंखों में कुछ आंसू हैं कुछ सपने हैं आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं आंखों में कुछ आंसू हैं कुछ सपने हैं आंसू और सपने दोनों ही अपने हैं दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल बर जानी थोड़ी मजबूरी है लेकिन थोड़ी है मनमानी थोड़ी तू मैं है और थोड़ी खींचातानी हम में काफी बातें हैं जो लगती है दीवानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी
Simply excellent. Let's see what excitement they have in store. Good evening to all. We all like to sleep not because we want to rest but to see dreams. We are going to present an act play with a little magic, a missing Sue, a sweet and kind girl, and a very dashing prince who is searching for his princess. So let's not blink and wink and feel the midnight magic.
Once there lived a rich man whose wife was sick, and when she felt her end drawing near, she called her only daughter Cinderella to come close to her bed. Dear child, when I am gone, be good and pious, and God will always take care of you, and I will look down upon you from the heaven and be good with you. And she closed her eyes and died. The maiden went every day to her mother's grave and cried. Cinderella's father used to travel a lot for work. He decided to remarry so that he could get someone to take care of Cinderella. He got married to a widow who had 2 young daughters. Cinderella lived with her wicked stepmother and 2 unkind stepsisters. They treated Cinderella very badly. She grew up being their servant, doing all the houseworks. One day, Cinderella was sweeping the floor. Her 2 sisters were sitting on the sofa and greedily eating fruits. After eating, one of the sisters threw the pill on the floor. The stepmother came into the drawing room and saw the unclean floor. Cinderella, clean the floor neatly, you lazy girl. Can't you do a single thing properly?
Yes, mother. I will do it now. Sorry.
Cinderella was made to cook and do the dishes. Cinderella serves the food.
Can I get some food to eat, mother?
You can eat the leftover after we finish. Cinderella cries, don't start this drama again. Go and clean the dishes first. Cinderella picked up all the dishes and cleaned them. She was made to sleep in the attic. Every night she cried and slept in hunger. Looking at Cinderella, the little rat and the bird felt bad for her and became friends with her. One day, the king decided to have a big party and call everyone from the town. The king wanted his son to choose one of the pretty girls to marry. The king sent an invite to all the young maids for a grand ball at his palace.
People of the kingdom, I have a message for you from the king. Everyone is invited to the grand ball on Sunday of the coming week. King will choose a princess for the prince on the occasion.
Everyone was happy and jumped with joy. Cinderella was also very happy and excited, as she always wanted to see the palace. Cinderella's sisters preparing themselves for the ball with a great hustle and bustle. Come on, girls, start preparing for the ball. I want the prince to marry either of you and you. Cinderella, help both of them to prepare. My girls should look like princes. One of them is going to marry the prince soon.
Oh, mother, the prince will marry me.
Cinderella, fix my hair and help me get dressed.
Come here first. I will marry the prince.
Cinderella was very kind. She helped both her sisters. I wish I could go there too.
Can I come too? I really want to see the palace and attend the ball.
No way! Ha 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 ha! Look at yourself. You don't even have a dress to wear. Everyone will just laugh at you and We will have to face embarrassment. How dare you even ask such a question? The sisters and the mother left for the grand ball. Cinderella was left alone crying. She remembered that she had her mother's wedding gown. It was all torn. She began sewing it. Her little friends and the birds and the rat started helping her too. They talked among themselves. This will take lots of time. By that time, the party will be over. Suddenly, a fairy godmother appeared. Don't worry, my child. I will send you to the ball.
Who are you? And how can this be possible? This dress is all torn, and I do not have a gown to wear to the ball.
Don't you worry, sweet child. Cinderella's old clothes changed into a beautiful new gown, and pointing at her feet appeared glass shoes. The mice friend and the bird jumped upon the pumpkin. She turned the pumpkin into a beautiful carriage. The mice and the rat became her coachman.
But godmother, my stepsisters and stepmother will be there. Pooh! They will be angry if they see me there.
Don't worry, I won't let them recognize you.
Oh, thank you, godmother. You are very kind.
But remember, my child, the magic will last until the midnight. Remember to reach home by then.
Oh, yes, godmother. I will take care of that.
She waved goodbye and set off for the ball. When she entered the ballroom, all the heads turned toward her. The stepsisters and the stepmother could not recognize her. How beautiful she is! The handsome prince saw her and fell in love with her at the very first sight. He approached her.
Hey, beautiful lady, may I have the pleasure of dancing with you?
Yes, of course.
The prince did not dance with anyone else. He could not take his eyes off from Cinderella. Cinderella danced all night with the prince that she almost forgot the clock was approaching midnight. Suddenly, she remembered the godmother's words. The clock caught her eye.
Oh, I must go home now.
But it just...
As she was running, one of her glass shoes slipped up her foot and she had no time to get it back. And as she saw the prince was running behind her, she quickly sat in the carriage and went away. The prince saw her shoe and quickly picked it up.
Why did she run away?
It was 12. On the way, her carriage disappeared and turned into a pumpkin again. She took a shortcut and ran and finally managed to reach home.
I will find her. Even if I have to find in the whole world, I want to meet that girl any way I can.
The prince was so eager to see her again that he went along with his men to search for her. They went door to door. Every girl in every house was made to try the shoes, but the shoes did not fit anyone. They finally reached Cinderella's house. Welcome, my lord.
My lady, is there any girl in your house who came for the ball?
My 2 daughters attended the ball last night.
Get your dirty were searching for a girl who was wearing these shoes.
Oh, one of my daughter might have wore these shoes. I will call them. The sisters were made to try the shoes. They tried to squeeze their legs, but the shoes did not fit anyone.
Is there anyone else at home?
Oh, no, I only have 2 daughters. Stepmother had locked Cinderella in the attic so that she could not try on the shoe.
We need to inspect the whole house.
Soon, one man saw the way toward the attic and the door was locked.
Is there someone in here?
Stepmother followed him. No, there's no one there. You don't need to waste your time. Here, my lord. He broke the lock and went inside. To his surprise, he saw a girl sitting near the window.
I found a girl here.
The prince and the man gathered near her and she was made to try on the shoes. The shoe fit Cinderella's foot perfectly. The stepmother was shocked.
I have finally found you. What is your name?
Cinderella.
He instantly went down on one knee and proposed to her.
Cinderella, will you marry me?
Yes.
The prince took her hand in his hand. He then rode back to the palace along with Cinderella. The king was very happy to meet Cinderella. They invited Cinderella's father to decide the wedding date. Cinderella and the prince got married and they lived happily ever after.
A delightful skit happening were brilliant. Where are you, my dear Ananya? What are you doing? I am acting. Every cultural event has a performance that touches the soul and sends a powerful message. Here is a moving and meaningful dance by the students of class on the important theme their fun.
गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर सिन्हा बोल रही हैं?
यस।
वाइफ प्रेग्नेंट है, लड़की है, अबॉर्शन करना था।
ये कैसे बात कर रहे हो आप?
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
लड़का चाहिए होगा आपको?
नहीं, लड़का नहीं, लड़की ही चाहिए थी।
तो फिर क्यों करा रहे हो अबॉर्शन?
क्योंकि रेप हो जाएगा इसका।
किसे पूछूं है ऐसा क्यों बेजुबां सा ये जहां है, बस जीते हैं सपने की आंखों में, लकीरें जब छुपे इन हाथों से यूं बेवजह,
जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई लौट के सदा,
जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा
छोटी सी प्यारी सी नन्ही सी आई कोई परी, छोटी सी प्यारी सी नन्ही सी आई कोई परी, भोली सी न्यारी सी अच्छी सी आई कोई परी, पालने में ऐसे ही झूलती रहे, खुशियों की बहारों में झूमती रहे, गाते मुस्कुराते संगीत की तरह, ये तो लगे रामा के गीत की तरह। रा रा रू, रा 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 रू, रा रा रू, रा 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 रू।
मैंने कहा था तुझे मुझे बेटा चाहिए, और तूने जना भी तो ये बेटी को। तू राखी से मेरी नजरों से।
इसमें मेरा और इस मासूम का क्या कसूर है? देखना एक दिन यही हमारी जिंदगी का सहारा बनेगी।
ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे, ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे।
बेटी तो बोझ है, बेटी तो पराया धन है।
बेटी को पढ़ा लिखा कर क्या करोगे?
बाबुल प्यारे सजन सखारे सुनो मेरी मैया, बोझ नहीं मैं किसी के सर का, ना मझधार में नैया, पतवार बनूंगी लहरों से लड़ूंगी, पर मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया, हो अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया, कल बाबा की उंगली को थामे चली थी, कल बाबा की लाठी भी बन जाऊंगी, अम्मा तेरे घरों देखी चिड़िया हूँ मैं, दाना लेकर ही वापस घर आऊंगी।
पढ़ाई लिखाई करना, डॉक्टर इंजीनियर बनना, ये सब बेटी के बस की बात नहीं है। बेटी तो घर के काम और खाना बनाने के लिए ही होती है। पढ़ाई लिखाई छुड़वाओ और उसे घर के काम सिखाओ, वो उसी के लायक है।
Women.
पापा, मैं पढ़ लिख कर डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ, अपने पाँव पर खड़ी होना चाहती हूँ और आपका नाम रोशन करना चाहती हूँ। मैं दुनिया को दिखा दूंगी कि मैं डॉक्टर भी बन सकती हूँ और घर के काम भी कर सकती हूँ।
जाओ बेटी, पढ़ाई लिखाई करो, डॉक्टर बनो, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ।
मैं तो बादलों से टूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे, सारे चुन के मैं बुन आऊंगी, हम माना इस दुनिया की हो ही नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी, कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, हाँ कि जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, मैं पूरी करा, जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाहिशां, मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह, मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह।
Congratulations, you are now a doctor.
मारी छोरी छोरों से कम है क्या?
That was a beautiful performance. We must remember empowering the culture. Do you promise? Yes, that's it. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to part 3 of our cultural event where the talent continues to shine brightly. That's right, Nancy. We have delightful mix of games, rhymes, skills, and of course, some spectacular dance performances line up to keep you on an edge of his. Let's say to be entertained. To kick off this segment, we bring the spirit of fun and family closeness to the stage. Our next event is very special that involves our wonderful parents and children. It's time for Mind Match, a parent-child interactive game. I invite Father Cornelius to take forward the game.
Good evening, parents. Good evening.
Good evening.
Dankanal, are you awake? Are you sleeping? No. So for this segment, I would like to invite along with me two of my partners, Priyambada ma'am and Shadia ma'am, along with them two volunteers. I would like to welcome from the crowd one parent, one child, one parent, one child, and like that 5 pairs. One parent, one child, and that way we would like to invite from the crowd 5 pairs. And the surprising item, the game is going to be very fun loving and it is going to be interesting and exciting. When the parents come up to the stage, I will explain the games and the rules. I would like to invite on stage one parent, one child, and 5 pairs. So 5 pairs. When the 5 pairs are complete, I will tell you stop. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I request all the parents to stand in line the other side where Priyambada ma'am is standing. And I request all the kids to stand this side, my side. Okay. Priyambada ma'am, please.